so we're here in Air Force. We're here in the air show, and here in Laredo, Texas, and we're inside of one of the planes that they parachute from.
Okay. Hi, Ben.
And we also have my friend Ivan. Hello. Hey, and make sure to step on the grip panels. You see, look. Grip the platform. Oh, why are you pulling my shirt?
Oh, shit.
Okay, so we are on the airplane, and you can see all of the stuff that they use right here on the top, all the engineering, and also all the fans right there, and also this, I don't know what it's called, carbon fiber, I don't know, leather. Okay, yeah, it's leather, and these tubes, and it makes it into its part. Okay, so you see those right there? Those are all the engineering. I have no idea what this is for. And look, there's a thing so they could go down. And there's tons of stuff. There's tons of people here. And also there's fire extinguishers to make sure that nothing happens, and there's also lights. So let's go on to the next. Okay, so all in the capacity. Three of these could fit in here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 of these could fit in here. 2, 4, 6, 8. And also 6 could fit of helicopters, and two army tanks could fit, and also 6 of these. Look, you can see all of this.